Brantford-Brant, where we offer programs for children 0 to 6 with their families, parents, and caregivers. So today we're going to do some more science, and the first experiment we're going to do is an erupting volcano. So these are the things that you need. You need vinegar, 1/4 cup, you need some dish soap, 1/2 tablespoon, you need some baking soda, and some food coloring. So we're going to start by mixing all of our ingredients in a little cup or a beaker. So we'll start with the 1/4 cup of vinegar. And then we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of dish soap. And then we're going to add some food coloring. You can choose whatever color you'd like. Mine is going to be blue. And then we're going to stir that all up. And then you need a small water bottle or a small container that has a spot where you can put a funnel in to put the baking soda in. So then you need 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. You're going to put that into your cup first. If you want to use a bigger pop bottle or a bigger water bottle, you need to double the recipe so that your explosion comes to the top. All your baking soda is in there. Give your mixture of vinegar and dish soap and food coloring a last stir. And then you're going to pour it in. And we're going to wait and see what happens. You should have an erupting volcano. Pretty simple steps. So you could do this at home too. Okay, so the next experiment we're going to do is called dancing raisins. So these are the things that you'll need to do this experiment. You'll need clear soda, like a club soda or something that has a fizz in it. You'll need some raisins, a clear glass vase or cup. You'll need a measuring cup. You'll need tweezers. You'll need a spoon just to stir it up. And if you have a magnifying glass, you can use that as well. And if you don't wear glasses, then you'll need some safety goggles as well. So first we're going to start by pouring 1 cup of soda into our clear glass. And then you're going to use your tweezers to put 5 raisins into the soda. So you can help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you're going to give them a quick stir just to get the bubbles going. And then you're going to use your magnifying glass or get up close and watch them start dancing. Takes a few minutes because the bubbles have to absorb around the raisins. And then you'll notice when they're all done dancing, the bubbles will stop and the raisins will drop to the bottom of your glass. Thanks for joining our EarlyON activity today. We'll see you next time. Bye.